All right, Hiro-san, rainy day in Miami. We're here to see if they have the Chicken Big Mac, is what they're calling it. Started in the UK earlier this year, and Miami's supposed to be the first one to have it in the United States before they send it all throughout the rest of the United States. So we're going to see if they have it here.
Okay.
As of like late August, they said.
So that's a new item.
Yeah, new item. All right, here looking for the Chicken Big Mac on 167th Street, just close to I-95. So if any McDonald's would have this Chicken Big Mac, I think this place would have. Hello. You guys have the Chicken Big Mac?
No, and you're not allowed to record here.
Oh, not allowed to go. Okay. All right, we got the 2 Big Macs. We got the 4 McChickens here at the McDonald's located on 167th Street. Young lady behind the counter says, yeah, they do sell it here in a couple select places. One is just down the street, like 2.5 miles. So let's go over there. Let's get the real one because they said the chicken patty is not from the McChicken. It's a special one. We're here at the other McDonald's here, West Dixie and 163rd Street. Attached to a Marathon gas station. All right, Hiro-san, let's see if they have it. Right, thank you. I'll see here. Hello.
Oh, the McDonald's?
Yeah, the Chicken Big Mac? Yes. Hiro-san, they have the Chicken Big Mac.
Good.
Good, good, good. Can we get 2 to go?
That's it?
Yes. How long have you had it on the menu for? Because we just came from your other location down the street on 167.
Well, I don't know how long they want to take. Maybe 3 months? I don't know.
You've had it for 3 months? No.
No, I just have it.
Just have it, right?
Yeah,
Like
I just have it.
a week ago?
2 weeks?
2 weeks?
Yeah, 2
Oh,
weeks.
nice. And how is it? Do you like it?
Oh, yes. Yes. I love it. I eat it. It feels good.
Yeah. All right. I'm so huh? Yeah, two. Yeah. I don't see it on the menu here. It's not on the
Yeah,
menu.
but no fries, no drink.
Yeah, no fries, no drink. That's fine.
It's too much, yeah.
So you guys only use that chicken for this sandwich, right? You don't use it any other sandwich.
What did you say?
You use that chicken only for this sandwich? Like you use?
No, this chicken is for this the Big Mac.
Oh yeah, but do you use it for the other chicken sandwiches?
Oh,
or
no.
Only for this one.
Only for this one.
Wow. How much does it cost? Let's see.
10 something.
Oh, like $5 each.
My love, 1 fish, please.
Yeah. Is it pretty popular, this Chicken Big Mac?
Oh, yes.
Popular, huh?
Yeah.
But I don't see it on the menu anywhere.
I think it's over here.
Oh, that one?
The picture like that?
No, that's a crispy chicken.
Over here.
New, right here. Oh, here we go. Check it out. I like it. I like it. Hiro-san, are you excited? I'm excited. I can't tell you.
Let's try.
Yeah. We got the goods.
Chicken Big Mac.
Chicken Big Mac.
Okay.
Okay, Hiro-san, we are back from McDonald's. So excited to try this. It was many years ago that Hiro took a Big Mac, made a sushi roll out of it, started a Willet Sushi. A lot of you came on and said, oh, Good Mythical Morning started that. Actually, Hiro was the first one to do that. But take a look at this. As we mentioned earlier, we thought that they took a McChicken patty and made a Big Mac out of it. It's actually one new piece just for this. They call it chicken tempura.
Chicken tempura?
Yeah, that's what they call chicken tempura. This actually started in the UK. Brought it over here in August. Only a few McDonald's have it. The one over there that we found, they said they really enjoy it, as you saw. All right, Hiro-san, what do you think? Take a look at this. It looks like tempura, right?
Oh, it's really called this one
Yeah, tempura
Oh,
chicken.
yeah, I see. No, it's more like yeah, it's not really katsu, but
Not katsu, but maybe tempura, right? And they only bring this kind of chicken for this particular sandwich.
like a big chicken nugget.
Yeah, like a big chicken nugget, right? All right. All right, Hiro-san, let's make your magic, right?
Okay.
Well, it's sushi, chicken Big Mac.
I'm gonna first separate all the ingredients.
Okay.
Patty is I'm gonna just give here. Pickle.
Pickle and the special sauce.
So yes, special. Yeah, looks like a how they call it, Thousand Island.
It looks like Thousand Island, right? Some lettuce. Who in the audience knows that song, like Big Mac jingle? 12 beef patty special sauce,
Big Mac with
lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. That song is pretty old.
Okay, so let me take it out to that. It's here.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah, take a look at the patties. You guys, it looks like a huge chicken nugget, right?
Yes, looks like a big chicken nugget. Yes, this is bottom one. It's a little bit.
So it's kind of soggy.
Yeah, it's already absorbed so many.
So much sauce, right?
Yeah, sauce already. So.
McDonald's CEO says there's a lot of potential for chicken sales. I think there's a chicken sandwich war going on with Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, Burger King, and McDonald's, right? All the big players.
Mm-hmm. Like before, which one the Popeyes chicken burger was popular too, right?
Yeah, it's really popular. I think everyone says it's the best one is Popeyes, which I want to say I agree with them. I really enjoy the Popeyes chicken sandwich the most. Oh, yes. So far, so good, right?
So far, so good. I remember 6 years ago in the restaurant.
You thought I was crazy, right, Hiro?
Yeah, you brought the burger that day. Actually, that was of course it was in the afternoon, you know.
You guys take a look at the description box. It's actually put a link down below for that original Willet Sushi Big Mac that started off this Willet Sushi series. Bought a couple of Big Macs and Hiro thought I was crazy. He thought I bought him lunch. Not the case.
Yeah.
You know,
It was to the restaurant, so I thought you brought me the lunch.
some lunch, right?
Yeah.
That was a nice guy.
Yeah. That's a really good afternoon was started.
And then you had to work. You had to make something
It
good.
was, you know, always we was filming afternoon.
Yeah.
Actually, that's why.
That's true.
All right, let's go. Cut.
right. Take a look at this inside. Chicken Big Mac turned into a sushi roll. Well, that's it. Not bad, huh? Somebody made it look so simple, Hiro.
Yeah.
Man, it looks great. Well, there you have it. The Chicken Big Mac Willet Sushi Roll. Done so easily by Hiroyuki Terada. Here's how I can't wait to try it. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe and tell us which would you rather eat, the regular sandwich. You want to try one of these creations? I think I want to try this. Here's how. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
To the tasting part.
Yes.
Enjoy.
Yes. Look at this. The face so beautiful, eh?
Yeah, a lot of chicken in there.
はい、いただきます。
First time trying the Chicken Big Mac. We don't know how long it's going to last on the menu. Hopefully a long time. So y'all can try it too in the rest of the country.
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Tastes like just like a regular chicken sandwich with that Big Mac sauce, pickles.
Big Mac sauce and pickle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. Something new, something different.
I cut into the 8 piece, right?
Yep.
So one bite size, 8.
That's nice. That's a pretty big sandwich if you think about it. If you can make 8 pieces on a roll and you guys don't even eat more than one roll in the sushi bar, think of how stuffed you'll be. Wow. Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.